Hey guys, my name is Kurt and thanks for watching. Today we're going to be detailing a classic BMW to make it look brand new, so stick around to the end of this video so you see the awesome transformation. So the first thing we like to do is to clean the engine bay. And the quickest way to do that is to spray some degreaser in there and power wash it off. Next comes the actual car wash. Now it's a good idea to pressure wash the vehicle first, so that way most of the dirt is removed before you start soaping it down with a wash mitt. This will save you some time and help reduce the risk of scratching your paint. We'll be applying a rubbing compound to this vehicle in a bit, but before we do, it's important to use a clay bar to remove any dirt that's embedded in the clear coat. The paint on this BMW was starting to look a little bit faded, so a medium strength rubbing compound and a rotary polisher should freshen this paint right up. Now we're going to bring this outside for the glaze application. A glaze is designed to flatten out and fill any scratches left over from the rubbing compound. Rotary polishers can be a bit too aggressive for this step, but a DA polisher should do the trick. At this point, mostly everything has been detailed. All that's left to do is apply some dressings and sealants and to do a final wipe down before handing it back over to the customer. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please drop a like and subscribe to our channel. We'll be releasing new content every week, so hope to see you guys soon.